Hi everyone, it's Charles at Empress Mills and we are taking a quick look at the Prym Love folding rotary cutter. It's a nifty little gizmo, truth be told, very handy. Perfect for quilters and, well, anyone who sews. Heading on the move, particularly to workshops and classes strictly within the UK, because it does contain a sharp blade, but a very nifty design. It is not big at all, 4 or 5 centimetres in height, so easily fits in your bag. And it comes with it doesn't just open, it's got a secure little button that you must press before you can open it up. And then when you do open it, it folds out into this handy rotary cutter. It's not quite 45mm, the cutter, but it will cut through quite a few different layers, which we'll take a look at in a second. When you do first fold it out, it locks in place with the same button that we've used to allow it to open. So that is now absolutely locked in place, so you can be sure that your fingers are nice and safe. And to close it, you simply press the same button and it folds back in nice and handy. So it's dead easy to open, stays out, and then you press that button, the same button, to close it, and it instantly locks back into that closed position, just so you can pop it in your bag, head out and about without any problems at all. In terms of cutting, as I say, it does cut through multiple layers. I'm using sort of a lightweightish denim here just to give you a little bit of a guide. It's a nice lightweight denim, but that little bit heavier than a standard quilting fabric. 2 layers, it's folded over, and let's just take a quick peek. Cuts just like butter. It really does. Easy peasy. I've got 4 layers of denim here. We just thought we'd give this a try. Now I may end up looking silly here because this is the first time we've tried it, so we'll just see. So we've got 4 layers of denim. Am I right with 4? Yes indeed. And it should just cut straight across like that. No problem at all. Absolutely easy. So it is a super duper little cutter. Perfect for quilting fabrics, denims, anything along those sort of lines. It will work really well. It comes in the Prym Love mint, matches my cutting board. I'm very fashionable like that, you know. But it's a nice little, you know, nice aesthetically pleasing little cutter as well, but very functional, very safe to use. Obviously be careful with the blade, I don't need to say that, being silly, but you know, obviously be careful in general, but it is very safe in terms of locking into position and allowing you to take it out and about. So yes, that's it, the Prym Love little folding rotary cutter. I hope that's been of use. If you've got any extra questions on it, please don't hesitate to get in touch. We will be pleased to help. Thanks very much indeed for watching. See you again soon.